Spiderham's got a big head. It's probably about half of the whole drawing here. So let's draw a really big forehead here, just like that. There we go. Start it off like that. Bit of a cheek here. This will be a snout, just like this. There we go. All right, and then what we can do is bring this around like this. Have a bit of his cheek here like that. And then we'll start bringing this back up like that. And then we gotta make room for his ear here, right about there. There you go, just like that. And then we'll bring the other ear up here. Bend it over a little bit. Flap it like this. Alrighty. Join it on up like that. Okie doke. And now we can draw his eyes, his spider eyes. There we go. One right here. The other one here. We can bring this one down around his side of his head here. This one will come back up here, just like that. And these get tighter as they go into the cracks, just like here. There we go. And we'll do the same over here. There we go. Looking good, looking good. He's got some funny bits for his nose here, or his snout, I should say. Kind of the same deal. Just like that. That's looking good. Alrighty. Now we're gonna make Spiderham in action. As if he's about to spin a web. So we'll do this. There's his arm coming down like this. We'll draw a thumb here, just like that. Alright, that finger will come down here like this. The finger that's spinning the web will be here, just like that. Alright, he's only got 3 fingers, so his other one will come down here like this. And there's his elbow, okay? Right, and back up. And now here's the body. Right about here. He's a little pudgy, I suppose. And we could draw his leg here like this. There we go. He's got hoofs. There we go, just like that. There we go, bring his leg in like that. There we are. And this arm's back here. We'll give him a bit of a fist. 1, 2. That's right, 3 fingers. His thumb here like that. Bring that up like that. And then we can bring that all around. There we are. All right, now we'll bring that down, join a leg up here, just like this. And there's his knee. Tuck that underneath. And we can draw his rest of his foot here like this. Don't forget the hoofs. All right, this is looking good. There we go. Now we can draw his suit in properly. So let's see here. He's got the spider suit here like this. Just like that. Under his arms and around like that. There we go. Bit of a glove thing going on here. Bring that around like this. One here like that. Then up. Don't forget the glove over here. All right, this is looking nice. We draw his boots. One there. One there. All righty. We're looking good here. Now what we can do is draw the spider. Just a bit of an oval here like that. Maybe a little head. That's right. And then we could draw his legs like that. And like that. This is looking good, everybody. And he is a pig, so we better give him a bit of a tail, just like this. And then we'll whip it around like that. There we go. Very nice, everybody. Now, what we can do is, if you like, we can draw a little bit of webbing in here. So get the thin point of your pen if you can. We'll draw a couple of lines here, just like this. Meet them up here like this. There we go. We won't do too much because it could get a little tricky, but when you're doing the in-between, just make them a little curvy. There we go. There we are. Just like the webbing. The webbing it is. Alrighty. And then we can do the same over here. Try and do a little thin bits here, just like this. What we could do is bring it all the way around like that. Right. Maybe when we get to the spider, we'll not so much. Right about here like that. There we go. Little bits again. Little swirly bits. Can take some time, but it looks good in the end, doesn't it? There. Just like that. And on the middle finger there. There we go. Looking nice. Maybe a little webbing here, like that. All right, this is looking nice. Do the same down here. Little webbing bits. Oh, I like it. All right, and we can do the same on his head, his cowl bit, just like that. There. Bring it down here like that. Maybe one here like that, and then back around like this. There we go. This is looking nice. Bits and bobs like this. His nose could be like that. Coming around. There we go. Little bits of webbing like this. Alrighty. We're looking at a pretty decent looking Spiderham here. Alrighty. Here we go, everybody. Let's get to the color. Spiderham has a red websuit with blue bits, black eyes, and black spider. Thanks, everyone.